Hello, my name is Andrei Balint, and I would like to welcome you to this GDPR Made Easy course. During this course, we shall go over the important aspects of the General Data Protection Regulation. For further study, we will have attached in this course a document containing more detailed information on European data protection, so please give that a read. Now let's start by telling you a bit about myself. I am a data privacy and information security specialist with experience in creating and developing privacy-related programs and also training. I work both as a consultant in these fields and also as a trainer. I am CIPP/E, CIPM, CIPT certified on the privacy side, and from the security side, I am CompTIA Security Plus certified, among other things. So now that you know a bit about me, let me tell you about the course and what we shall cover. During this course, we shall take a pretty detailed look at the pure version of the GDPR, as it was drafted by the European Commission. First, we will look at the scope of the regulation to see where does it apply from both a territorial and material point of view. Afterwards, we shall learn about the types of data under the scope of the regulation. Next, we shall look at data protection roles and their responsibilities. Here we shall discover what are the main differences between controllers and processors. In the fourth module, we shall dive into processing. We shall learn about fair processing principles of the regulation and also about what processing is. In the fifth module, we shall go into lawful basis for processing both personal data and special categories of data. Next, we shall study a very important part of the regulation, more specifically data subject rights. We shall see what they are and what they entail. Afterwards, we shall look at cross-border transfers and ways in which we can legally transfer data from within the European Economical Area outside the European Economical Area. Lastly, we will finish this course by going into security and compliance. Here we will see what does the GDPR say about security and also how can we demonstrate compliance with the regulation as a whole. By the end of the course, you should have a very good understanding of the GDPR and what it asks of organization, and also enough information to take your CIPP/E certification from the EAPP. So without further ado, let's get started.